If you had to guess how old I was based on my looks, what would you say?
16.
Probably like 15.
16.
15.
15, 16.
What's up, it's Sydney, and about a week ago I turned 18. Not that you can tell. Through my YouTube comments, Instagram comments, people asking if I'm old enough to drive, I've grown pretty accustomed to the fact that I do not look 18. So today I'm going to be doing some things to make this look like an actual 18-year-old. Let's go! Step one is going to be to change my outfit because this just isn't really cutting it. Can you see this look? Not really. I'll insert clips. My shirt's from American Eagle. I got it like sophomore year, and it kind of makes me look flat-chested, and you can see my bra straps, so double whammy. My shorts are like fine. They're from H&M. We're gonna need a little wardrobe update, so where do all the cool kids go who are like college-aged and want to look cool? What am I saying? Urban Outfitters. This could be good, I think, maybe. Would a skirt make me look older or accentuate the fact that I don't have a butt? I'm drawn to this, but it's definitely not gonna make me look older, so that's kind of sad. Okay, so here's the first option. It's just a pretty plain black tank top. Editor's note. You might be like, Sydney, why are you whispering? Why are you rushing through your words? Well, let me tell you. The employee at Urban Outfitters who gave me my dressing room actually went to my school, but he was like the year above me. It was one of those weird encounters where like you know each other, but you don't really know each other. So I'm in there vlogging and taking way longer than the average person, also trying to find decent lighting there, so I'm like spinning around, kind of making noise, and I'm talking to myself. I think he was concerned for my mental state, which, well, every 2 minutes or so, he'd be like, hey, you good in there? And I was like, sorry if these clips suck. That's why they do. Okay, here's the next one. I'm not the biggest fan. I think this part is good, but I think the rest of it just looks kind of frumpy and honestly maybe even a little too frilly in my opinion. Also, I mean, here's the next one. I kind of like it. I don't know, I feel like the halter part is kind of doing me justice. Does this make me look like a schoolgirl? How to pose for pics. I love my motor coordination. I have returned and I ended up getting the halter black tank top. Originally, I couldn't decide between this one and the other black tank top. That's kind of pathetic, but I asked my friends and they all said this one. I mean, I think it's older looking than most of the clothes that I own because I wear a lot of sweatshirts and I look 12. I couldn't decide on the skirt because I'm indecisive and it was $40, so I was just like, nah. Now I have to figure out what to do about my lower half. That sounded so creepy, I promise to never say that again. The all black look doesn't look bad, but I feel like we can do better. I kind of dig it. Solid option. Yeehaw. I like the shorts, but I feel like since I wear these all the time, the skirt goes with more of the theme of trying to look older. Maybe I'm wrong. These are cute though. Okay, let's just face the facts. Everything you wear with this shirt works because it's just plain black. The ripped effect definitely helps because I feel like people my age are the ones that understand the fashion behind ripped jeans. Because we all know most adults are just like,
Did you pay extra for those rips? Or are they just worn out?
yeah, I'm going with the skirt. I'm too hot in this. I switched out my necklace for a choker. It just felt right. I'm also gonna switch out these little hoops for some bigger ones. Get in my ear hole. I'm so sorry. We love a sophisticated sister. Here's the stitch. Back in like 8th grade, I bought pretty much all of this makeup because I was really into it. I also named my channel Beauty Queen 18. That came back to bite me. But I pretty much don't wear any of it. Let me just explain my everyday look that I'm wearing right now. Eyebrow gel, mascara, and chapstick, which wears off in like 20 minutes. Me with no makeup, 12. Me with this makeup look, 15. Me after this video, 18. I'm gonna try and follow a tutorial, but it's gonna be atrocious. I'm just warning you. We have a tutorial from Advise My Style, how to look older with makeup when having a baby face. Sorry.
I'm doing this C shape here because I'll blend it in.
Ow. This one's gonna turn out better, I can tell. You sure about that? It looks like I just wrote the greater than and less than signs on my eyes. Like we're just forming an inequality up in here.
She has a bit of a dry eyelid.
What does that mean? I don't know what a precise brush is, but I'm pretty sure I don't have it. So I'm just gonna use this. Oh my god. He's worried about it looking too good. Wish I had that problem. If you want some proof that I just rarely wear these, there's literal dust. Brown shade fluffy brush. Oh yes, honey. This seems pretty fluffy if you asked me. So then you just take the nice brown color and just, I'm now just gonna apply this to the inner part of my eyelid. It seems like I'm making fun of beauty gurus, but in reality, I'm just so jealous of them. Like, I wish I could make my face look good, but here I am.
Flick an eyeliner.
I found this eyeliner. It's the They're Real Push-Up Liner by Benefit, and it's the mini size. Did I just break it? What is... As you can see, it's a small size because I definitely just got this as like a sample. How does this... I think I broke it. We could use this, but he said it needs to be precise. I guess we'll be skipping that step. I mean, it probably would have made this look even worse anyways. He takes the black and kind of throws a little down here. Oh, not like that though. I think I just indirectly joined a Screamo band. Now he's applying mascara. I'm gonna put on some more to kind of make it dramatic or something, but he said to not really put it on the inner part, to just focus on the outer part because it makes your eyes less round or something, I don't know.
And I also want it just on the upper lashes.
I'm doing something right because I never put on bottom mascara. But I still look 15.
But I want a foundation that will give her a bit of a glow.
I don't know foundation, sorry. You may think this would have worked out better if I followed the makeup tutorial more strictly, but I'm so awful at makeup that it still would have looked like I did it while extremely intoxicated. I'm very sober, just very untalented. Now he's doing lips, and I actually have a Kylie lip kit because just wow. Is all my makeup broken? Are you joking? I don't have much lip to work with here. I never contour. The only reason I even, what is this? The only reason I even have this is because Playlist Live gave them to us, which was really sweet, but I don't deserve it. I don't really think any of these are my shade, and this also isn't a contour brush, so virtually this is doing nothing.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Well, that just made me feel bad about myself. Cool. Yeah. I don't really want to show you a close-up. There you go. Maybe I should do something with my hair.
How to look older. Hair. Hey everybody, I'm Jess Zeno for video.
Maybe not. During my extensive research process, I came across 30 ways to make yourself look older in 30 seconds. Here are some of my favorites. Do a morning bra check because when your straps are showing, so is your youth. I'm not wearing a bra. Lower your voice.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Sydney.
Make eye contact. Do I seem older to you yet? Wow! That's it. This mess is the final look. It didn't really go well. I can bop to the outfit. Like, I'm really a big fan of it. I think it does kind of make me look a little bit older, but then you look at the makeup and it looks like a 5th grader did it. Do I look older? I would say no, but I do look worse, so there's something. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and also if you want to, you can follow me on Instagram in case you want to see this chic 15-year-old looking girl more often. Bye!